All right, grind don't stop. So, oh, I think somebody crashed. Anyway, so I'm here. I'm doing Uber Eats, right? Cause I'm about to record. I'm about to record my song. All right, cause I know my followers that like my music have been waiting a long time. I've been waiting for too long. I have the song already like written and everything, and I just never recorded it. So right now, you know, I'm trying to make some extra cash, but at the same time, I'm like, dang, I gotta do the song. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do Uber Eats while doing the song. Like I just had an order, right? Boom. So I stopped and I parked here by the house, and I'm gonna take out my laptop and I'm gonna take out, look, I already got everything here. This is, mind you, this is how I made this song. I made a song called by Truth Hurts, Why Food Great When You Gotta Lose Weight. And I did it in the car. I was doing almost the same situation, kind of. So look, oh, I don't know if y'all can see, I don't know if it's dark in here, but this is the microphone, and you know, this part, and then I forgot what this is called, but it's basically so it's, you know, like if I'm spitting or something, well, you know, I got this, and I got this adapter. It goes into my MacBook. All right, let me pull out the Mackie. I got the Mackie right here. I think I already downloaded the song, so I don't need no internet right now. Let me see. Damn, hopefully I got battery. I didn't even check that. Do I got battery? Tell me I got battery. Do we got it? Ah. Alright, so damn. So I have to find a charge. I gotta charge this. I gotta find a place to charge this. Maybe like a McDonald's. Go in there real quick while I'm waiting for my next Uber Eats delivery. Charge the laptop. Probably get another Uber Eats order. This car is not being rented out today, so I could use this car. So while the car's not being rented, why not use it for Uber Eats instead of being home? You know what I'm saying? Like right now, people watching the Super Bowl. Is it? Nah, the Super Bowl ain't today. But I know the Eagles and who's the Eagles and the Seahawks are playing today. So, and I'm not watching it. I'm out here grinding. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do the song, and I'm trying to make some bread too while at it. You know. So yeah. Let's see. So I'm gonna bring this laptop to McDonald's, and let's see how it goes from there. I don't know how people vlog. Like I gotta put my phone in my thing in my pocket, but if I get an order, now I gotta do all this extra stuff. I got my laptop in here, the charger. Right, let's go. If I get an Uber thing, I'm gonna flip. And I'm like, ah. Right here. Yeah. I got a weird message on my MacBook. Never had that happen before. I ain't get no calls yet. My last Uber Eats though, the one I just did, it was my first one today. I got $5 tip, so which is not tax deductible. Did I say that right? Well, I don't have to tax it. I don't have to claim that. Supposed to. You're supposed to though. You're supposed to. I might just put, I think I'm gonna put it in there though. In my taxes. Just in case the IRS are watching. I'm gonna put it in my taxes, those tips. 4%. So I'm gonna let it here. It's still early. It's almost 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna let it charge. I'm gonna let it charge for at least. I'll let it charge for a while. And at least until I get my next order. If I get my next order, I'm gonna leave, and then from there I'm gonna do whatever in my car. So right now, I'm gonna wait. So you know what's crazy? I just got an order, and it's for here at the McDonald's I'm at. Let me see. And I only got 8%. So I'm hungry, so I got an order too. Then we're gonna be on the move. All right, so this delivery is in the middle of nowhere. Damn, this won't stay still. It's telling me to go straight though. 514. Hey, this is the Uber Eats.
Okay. When you were going straight, did you see the 4?
There you go. And I just read, it said like 4 honey mustard, but that message didn't come to like after the delivery.
Okay.
So I didn't get to grab that.
Okay.
Alright, sorry about that.
Are the drinks in here too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good one. Alright. So, I'm in front of, Shells. I'm waiting. This is my setup. Right? Boom. I got the speaker here. I'm holding it with my hand. And then I have a boom here. So when I gotta start over, boop boop, got hand reach right here. And then I'm gonna also be, this is a song that I'm, hold on. This is a song that I'm parodying. On Trail by Wale. With my lyrics. Boom. So I'm gonna be recording this. You know how he goes, well, Jeremiah, the one that's singing, goes, we've been on this tragedy for months. Well, mine's is gonna be basically about, my parody is basically gonna be a song about girls not wanting to know what they want to eat. So it's gonna be like, it's gonna, you know, why can't you just tell me what you want, you know, and eat for lunch. Like, watch, when I'm done, what's gonna be. So this is how I'm doing this song right now in my car. I'm doing it in my car. Anybody that's like not making, and you know me, and people know me. Like, yeah, I know some people probably like, yo, what? You don't care about what nobody is, people looking at you and stuff. Anybody that knows me knows I have no filter. Like, I do anything, whatever I want to do, I have no shame. You know. And you gotta be like that, man. You can't care about what anybody thinks. You really can't, because It's like it's pointless to me. It doesn't faze me at all. To me. But anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna finish this track by today. Hopefully have this video uploaded and then have this song uploaded on all the platforms, and then I'm gonna show everybody the song. I'm gonna put it out there like, yo, boom, and it's gonna be fire.